And so we are live streaming on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and also Instagram. There's my alarm. This is Coffee with a Lawyer every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's our opportunity to be of service to you and get to know your situations and how we can help you. Please know that these are not confidential. We are streaming, so please keep all information general. And if you have a specific legal matter, it's best to book a confidential consultation. And we have a special guest today, Alexander, and I'd like to just give you an opportunity to ask any question you may have.
Yeah, so I had a quick question. If I was involved with someone that was promising me to get rooms in different hotels, such as like Wynn, Cosmo, Resort World, and it would go through them, but I would give them my deposit, which they would promise that they would return, but a lot of time passed and they have not returned the deposit. Is there anything legal I can do with that matter if I have the text messages and the transactions?
Good question. And I would say yes, because you don't have a written agreement. And a written agreement is usually the best evidence. The four corners of the document controls. In this situation, you do not. But you do have other rights, such as promissory estoppel, which is based in equity. You have to show that he has made certain indefinite promises to you that you relied on to your detriment. And based on your situation, it sounds like you do. Now, it depends on jurisdiction. Um, Promissory estoppel is equitable, and it's a remedy in equity, which is based on fairness. So it does depend on the local jurisdictions of how they interpret that doctrine. It sounds like you're in Clark County, I would say. If you were to file any suit, it would be in Clark County. Now, I'm not saying just jump right into a lawsuit. There could be some other steps you can take, such as sending them a demand letter, a request for adequate assurances that they're going to fulfill their obligations, that you consider this an enforceable agreement, that you have relied on their promises to your detriment, and you have legal rights here. Did you, in fact, make a deposit?
Yeah. There's several transactions through different apps.
Well, keep your evidence. I would make one final request, a request for assurances that they're going to fulfill. How much are you talking about, the amount in controversy?
It's close to 26K.
So, yeah, that would put you in a uh, unlimited jurisdiction type venue. It's not a small claims case. There is a substantial amount. Um, so, yeah, there are still claims you can make, even though you don't have a written agreement, which seems to be the issue here.
Yeah, but I do have text evidence from him promising to return everything.
And that's good.
So,
You have to keep that evidence.
okay.
So, let me just go to the chat to see if anyone has any questions while we're streaming. If anyone has any questions, feel free to put it in the chat. Do you have any other questions, Alexander?
No, that's it. Thank you for your
Yeah.
help.
Well, I'm happy
Hope you
to
have a
be
good
of
day.
service. Yes. So, yeah, that's about it. Just want to check in. We like to keep these relatively short so that everyone can start their week. And I'd like to say thank you for everyone who connected, and take care and take action. Bye bye.